To add the first element to your website, click an icon in the New Element panel. Choose, for example, Image. You can add a picture from your computer or use our free stock images bank. We will use an already uploaded picture. If you want to change its position, just click it and move it to the desired spot, just like the icons on your desktop. To change the image's size, click its border and drag in the desired direction. This is how you can change the size and position of every element you add to your website. You can easily change your picture into the website's background. Click on the Settings panel on your right. In the Position section, you'll find the 100% width option. Mark it. Now stretch the picture a little vertically and your background is ready. Add another picture, which will be your website's logo. As you can notice, it is very easy to center it. Just move it close to the midline of the website and the app will align it automatically. Now add a text box to your website. Click Text in the New Element panel and put it in your project. You can easily replace the default text. In the Text Editing panel, you can quickly change the font, size, color and text alignment. Now create a button that will encourage your users to take action. You can change the size of the button by dragging its borders, exactly like you did with the image. Put the button in the middle of the website. In the Settings panel on your right, you can change the button's appearance in two states, normal and hover. First, in the normal state, switch the button's background to transparent and change its border color. As you can see, when you hover your mouse over the button, the default color is still visible. You can easily change that in the Settings panel, State, Hover. All changes made here will be visible only when you put your mouse over the button. Done! Your button is ready. Now it's time to edit the next part of your website. Add another image and put it in the desired spot. You can change its size if it's too big or too small. Next, add a text box and put your content in it. Every element in WebWave can be copied and pasted. It makes the whole process much faster, especially if you have many similar elements. Let's make sure that all pasted elements are exactly on the same level. Mark the elements you want to be on the same level. In the Settings panel, you will find the Align Multiple Elements section. Clicking the To Top option will level the elements to the highest one. Now do the same with the text boxes below. Our next step will be adding a lightbox. It's a type of gallery that allows you to display images without leaving the web page. Click Lightbox in the New Element panel. It will instantly appear on your website. You can easily change the images that are displayed. Just click Edit Content in the Settings panel. Mark the default pictures while holding the Control button on your keyboard. You can delete them by clicking Remove from Lightbox. Now you can add the pictures you want to display on your website. You can add a background to every element. Click Rectangle in the New Element panel. Set its width to 100%, set height and choose a matching color. As you can see, the background is on top and is covering the lightbox. You can change that easily. Click on the Layers panel icon in the upper right corner. Every element that is higher will appear on top on the website, so you just have to drag the lightbox layer to be higher than the background. Remember, this rule applies to every single element on your website. On the bottom of our website we can add Google Maps. Click it in the New Element panel. Set its width to 100%. Now click on Edit Content and enter the address you want to display on the map. The website is ready. To see it in all its glory, you can move the Settings panel around the screen. You can enlarge it or reduce it, minimize it, or pin it below the Layers panel. Now you just have to click Publish and your website will go online. Simple, isn't it? Now it's your turn. Start making your own website. As you can see, it's really easy. Good luck!